And so they are starting to arrive here on the red carpet. They will take a picture collectively, an official picture, and then we'll move them on down. Ladies and gentlemen, up on the step and repeat here. Among the people that are here, we do want to mention, on the step and repeat right now, I see Tim Kang, I see Zach Knighton, I see Stephen Hill, I see Perdita Weeks, and I see Jay Hernandez. Eric Guggenheim is among them. He will be up here and we'll talk story. He will be on the microphone coming up in just a little while.